All right, this is take 20,000. Clapping in the mic so you can hear it with the audio, so we match it up. My name is Abby Minnick. I graduated from Penn State with 2 degrees in communications, also film. I'm a film major, and also planetary science and astronomy. So I'm here to share some awesome space news with you guys. So sit tight, relax, grab a snack, and here we are. Hey everyone, welcome to this week's roundup of the latest in space and astronomy. We've had some exciting developments recently, so let's jump right into it. All right, let's kick things off with an update on SpaceX's Polaris Dawn mission. Initially planned to launch last week, the mission faced a few delays due to technical checks and weather conditions. What makes this mission groundbreaking is its aim to achieve the highest Earth orbits since the Apollo missions. The crew is also set to perform the first ever commercial spacewalk. Jeff Bezos in space. Anyway, this mission is a major step forward in commercial space exploration and could set the stage for even more ambitious ventures in the future. Next, let's talk about some incredible solar activity that's been keeping scientists on their toes. Over the past week, our sun has been exceptionally active, with multiple solar flares recorded, particularly from active region AR3796. I'm gonna say that 3 times in a row. These flares have been strong enough to cause minor radio blackouts on Earth, affecting regions across the Atlantic and Ethiopia. As the sun is nearing the peak of its 11-year solar cycle, this kind of activity is expected to continue. For us on Earth, it's a reminder of how connected we are to our star. Solar storms can disrupt communications, GPS, and even power grids, making space weather monitoring even more important than ever. That's just my opinion, though. You guys don't have to follow it. Shifting gears to one of the most powerful tools in our astronomical arsenal. Say that 3 times. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Just last week, JWST captured stunning new images of distant galaxies and star-forming regions. One of the standout discoveries was the detailed observation of a galaxy cluster that formed shortly after the Big Bang. These observations not only give us a glimpse into the early universe, but also help us understand how galaxies evolve over billions of years. JWST continues to exceed expectations, and its discoveries are constantly expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. Ugh, my nose is running. Last take, not doing any more do-overs. Anymore. I really hope we're good after this. Another exciting development comes from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, which successfully returned the samples from the asteroid Bennu. These samples, collected back in 2020, have finally made their way to Earth, which is actually insane. It's like leaving COVID and then coming back to what we have now. Scientists are now beginning to analyze the material, which could offer insights into the early solar system and the building blocks of life. This mission marks a significant achievement in our ability to study asteroids up close and personal, potentially unlocking secrets about the origins of our solar system. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what's happening in the sky this week. Keep an eye out for a couple of celestial events that are sure to delight stargazers. First up, we have a meteor shower peaking mid-week. This is one of the more reliable meteor showers, so if you find yourself under clear skies, it's worth stepping outside to catch a few shooting stars. Additionally, there's a partial lunar eclipse coming up over the weekend. It'll be visible in most parts of the world, so make sure to check local times and get outside to witness this beautiful event. That's it for this week's Space and Astronomy Roundup. There's always something new and exciting happening out there in the universe, and I'm thrilled to share these updates with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.